Well, some Siouxland farmers are breathing a sigh of relief tonight after a grain elevator that exploded last month is once again up and running. KCAU-9 News reporter Lydia Vasquez is just back from Royal, Iowa, with what the opening means for farmers there. In our top story at 6.
Farmers I spoke with last month told me the biggest concern was storage space. If they couldn't store their grains at Ag Partners in Royal, it would not only cost them money, but would delay their harvest. An explosion inside this grain elevator on August 25th rocked the community of Royal, Iowa. 1 month later, Ag Partners is accepting grain again.
I've only got storage for maybe half of my corn and none of the beans, so them being open, be able to take things is a big relief there for me and a lot of farmers around here.
Farmer Craig Manning was the first farmer to store grain since the explosion.
A lot of corn would have to get dumped on the ground and stored until after harvest or maybe next spring, and then they got to reload it again. That affects a lot of people that they're going to be able to take beans, especially already, and corn.
Farmer Steven Steinbeck says less elevator space to store his grain would cost him.
Well, it means you have to haul it further, and that costs more money and time consuming. So this will help us a lot because we're close. We're like 3 miles away.
Steinbeck says being able to store his grain at Ag Partners will put him right on schedule for harvest season.
At that time, we're worried that don't have no storage room, but now that they got it going, I'm feeling great because this will help us, like they get the grain local for us faster.
There were some doom and gloomers out there thought they'll never take any of this, and I says a lot of us said just give them some time. They have a plan, or you find a plan B, plan C, things like that, and they have.
Ag Partners started storing beans last week and corn today. They say they still don't know what caused the explosion. Lydia Vasquez, KCAU 9 News.